HVAC businesses, Phyxter, has published a new how-to guide dedicated to helping HVAC contractors get their businesses started right. If you want to start an HVAC company but aren't sure what to do, this guide walks you through a step-by-step process for how to get it done quickly. When starting an HVAC business, it is not only knowing what needs to be done, but also knowing how to get it done better than your competitors. Read the full guide at https://phyxter.i/the HVAC Contractor's Guide to Starting a HVAC Business from Scratch. The full how-to guide covers what needs to be done to start an HVAC business, which steps need to be taken to ensure your HVAC business gets started off on the right foot, what you need to consider when pricing your HVAC services. If you need help starting your HVAC business, contact us at https://phyxter.i or at 1-855-999-1980.